entertaining your dog.
Yeah.
This is the dog.
This is Hopi.
And we have a video, and we have to get a water bottle.
You're good, Hopi. Yes.
And we're gonna hold this, please.
Okay.
I'll
vlog you.
We're just gonna
Drink all the water. That's the experiment.
Oh wait, we can give Hopi water.
Yeah, give her water.
Let's just give her some water. Right after that.
After that,
Treats. What does she like to eat?
she likes chips,
Yes, she likes the baking treats. But
bacon treats.
so we could use bread. We could use pieces of bread.
Pieces of bread. Oh, Reese's Puffs have dropped. Oh yeah, put those in there.
In the cereal box. Sit. Okay. So we need little pieces of bread.
Ooh, who's good, Hopi? Who's good, Hopi? Yeah, she found a chip behind the chair.
Oh, she's smart. I actually didn't realize they were there.
Good job, Hopi. You did pretty good.
Here.
The channel should be called like Hopi Adventures. What do you mean?
Here. Now.
Adventures.
Just enough bread?
Yeah, that was.
So, I'll eat this. I'll eat this later.
Can we make that toast? Make that toast. Toast it. Toast it in the toaster. We can show this to everyone that we know. Okay.
Can we cut holes in it?
I think so.
How do we cut?
So, I don't know. This is why I wanted to do the other one, the cup one.
This is the hardest water bottle I've ever. Do we have like old water bottles?
Here, let me try. Let me.
Oh wait! No, your one doesn't seem like it will work.
Okay, hold it super still.
We need scissors.
Scissors! You are so smart.
Where's scissors? This is a disaster. Come on, let's just see if she likes it. Hopi! Hopi! Hika! She doesn't know. Oh, she found that tree. Hopi! There's trees
She
in there!
really wants the bread, but she doesn't know how to get it.
Hopi, get the
Bread!
Get the.
There's no possible. Look, Kobe. Look, Kobe. You get the bread. You get the bread. You get the bread.
This is another. Oh.
The toast is done. Put butter on it.
Why?
I don't know.
It's hot. I need something that. This is not going.
This is the We're still posting this. And that's a satisfied customer eating his bread.
It's not that bad.
All right, Hopi, say bye.
No, we're gonna do one more.
Yeah, one more. We're gonna pause.
Yeah, let's have it.
Okay, this is Kale.
Hey.
So we're gonna do.
Hi.
We're gonna do treats under the cup and see what she does.
What's happening?
What do you mean? Okay. So
She's
wait.
stepping on my fingers. Go. Okay, so
I'll hold her.
okay.
Hopi, no cheating. No cheating. She's a cheater.
Which one has the treat?
3. Number 3.
Okay.
Down.
We let her make it. Okay. One hold.
Oh.
Put the treats down. Okay, let's see what she get.
This one. She smells the tree. That one?
Oh, you're so smart.
Yay, good Hopi.
Now let's make it more complex.
Okay.
Okay. Go. Here, how about this? We use different types of cups. The other cups, remember?
And the other cup?
Yeah, we're gonna use 2 types of cups. Where's the other cups? They're up there. Ugh.
Yeah. What? We need to make it more complex, but here, Hopi. Okay. Hopi, look at me. Look at me, you little muffin.
Where did I put the tree?
Here, I'm gonna sit here with Hopi, and she's gonna be a good girl. And she's not gonna do anything wrong. No. I'm covering your face.
Okay.
What did you do?
That one.
Okay, Hopi. Hopi,
pick one.
Hopi. Behind you. Hopi.
Hopi. Hopi's running.
Hopi. Over here.
You got a runner?
Hopi, choose one.
Pick one. Pick one, Hopi. Pick one, Hopi. Pick one, Hopi. Come on. Hopi.
Okay. Okay, she found one. She found it.
Yay! Good job, Hopi.
There's no wrong answer. Here, I'm gonna. Here, we're gonna try and take the camera. Take the camera. Hey, take the camera. I'm gonna be Houdini. Okay. So I'm gonna show which one. I'm gonna shuffle them around. Okay. Hopi, take the camera. Okay.
Hopi's not looking. They see you in action. Hopi, no. Open your eyes. Hopi, no. You can't see what.
Okay, Hopi.
Hopi, pick one. Just go. Come on, Hopi, go. Pick one. Which one's the wrong? Hopi picks.
Hopi, it's wrong.
What? You stupid. Hopi, you're stupid. Hopi.
She didn't do good. Okay.
Okay.
That's
the recording. So let me do an outro. Yo guys, this is the outro. Hopi lick me for the outro. Good. Hopi.
Oh God, she's attacking me now. Oh God.
That's it.
Oh God. Oh God.